So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So there is an update regarding the March session of JEE 2021. So you can enroll in this test series by just clicking entering my code, that is information, and then you will get the discount. The offer is only for some days, so just try to join this test series. It will be very useful for you. There is 102 tests, so there is enough tests to practice more. 21, that is the official answer key, and your response has been uploaded on the website. So it is being uploaded right now, so I am informing you about this. So you need to check the official answer key and your response so that you can get the marks that you have scored for the JEE Main 2021 March session. So here you can see on the official website, that is jemain.nta.nic.in, you will get the option of display question paper and answer key challenge March 2021 session. So you can also challenge the answer key if you feel you have done the right and they provide the wrong answer key. As in the case of last attempt in February, there was some mistake in the answer key and they changed that answer key. So again they will provide the final answer key before the result, as you got in the Feb attempt also. So don't worry if you think any type of mistake is being there. After analyzing all the answer key, if I will find any type of mistake, I will make video for that, for shift wise mistake in the answer key, so you will able to know about your shift also. So just for checking the answer key and your question paper, you just need to click here. After clicking here, you will be asked to log in the page. So I am already logged in. So after login, you will have the option of there is also a option of correction in the application form. If you need any type of correction, that is category certificate, or you want to change the category or anything, I have already made that video in which I have shown live how to do the correction. So you can watch that video also if you want to do any type of correction. And so here is the question paper that you have done. So here is the response of your shift that you have appeared in. So here is the original question paper that you appear and the response that you have made. So you just need to write all the options that you have done, answer key ID, and match with the original answer key that is being provided by the NTA. So just you need to go through all the question and note the answer ID that you have provided, and then you need to go to the second option, that is click to view or challenge the answer key. If you want to challenge any answer which you think you have done the right and they provide the wrong answer key, you need to pay 200 per question. But if it is if your challenge is right, then then the answer will be overturned, and in the final answer key they will release the answer that you have given in the exam. So don't worry if you don't challenge, then many other student also will challenge. If any one student will challenge, then all the student from that shift will get the number for that mistake in the answer key. So don't worry if there is some mistake or there is some bonus, I will inform you shift wise. I will make a video in which I will talk about the shift wise mistake in answer key or error or bonus questions. So don't worry, please subscribe the channel. You will get all the guide and support throughout the counseling on this channel only. So please subscribe, it's my humble request. So click on view and challenge. After clicking on view or challenge answer key, you will question and their official answer ID has been given. And so if you think any answer ID is wrong according to your response, then you can click on the option for challenge, and then after clicking you can pay the amount at the last. Submit your claim and screenshot you can put here, and then you need to submit and you need to pay the 200 per question. If you apply for 2 questions, then you need to pay 400. So this is all about the information that I want to give you all the student, as you all are waiting for the answer key so that you can get the marks that you have a score in your respective shift. So after calculating your marks, comment down your marks so that I can tell you the marks versus percentile data. And I have already made shift wise marks versus percentile and also the shift wise cutoff marks for each and every category. So watch that video, and if you think your marks versus percentile is not listed there, you can comment down your marks so that I can tell you your expected percentile based on the difficulty of the paper. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. I request you again, I will always provide you the information at the right time.